Indoda Ikhali on the Mayday Connection.
The views and opinions expressed in this feature are those of the guest or listener and do not reflect the views of Gagasi FM.
We're still saying happy Tuesday la ukhona sisikhathi ukuthi singene kwindoda Ikhali njalo ngolesibili sikhuluma noNdaba Miyeza, who is a mental health practitioner and a cultural historian who helps us to navigate conversations that are a bit tricky and a bit tough, sometimes a bit awkward ukuthi sikhulume ngawe as amadoda, but hopefully sidodisane sibe ngcono. Namhlanje ke is joining us on the line. Ndaba siyakubingelela about how are you doing?
Ngibingelele ekhaya, ngibingelele Sonithi. Kunjani namhlanje bafowethu?
Siyaphila mphathi. Wena khamba kahle?
Nokuhamba kahle yonke into bafowethu, ngumqemane ngqi. Ngila ngicashe khona and ngilalele kahle uhlelo kusula namhlanje emini ngo-12 ngenza ukulandela insizwa ukuthi ziqondeni namhlanje.
Namhlanje we're having a conversation as isikhathi sihamba umuntu ekhula, you know, we go through hills and valleys in life, kunama highs and lows, kunekhathi la kuhle khona nekhathi la kubi khona, and sometimes if you're in a low moment or in a place where izinto azenze ngendlela ufuna zenze ngayo, you can be stuck in a nostalgic moment where you talk about the good old days. You're always referring to the past. Yakhumbula kuqala, yakhumbula yabona nje sisakhula, yakhumbula sase high school, yakhumbula sase university. Most of those conversations are sometimes great, positive. They've got great stories that can be told about them, but sometimes we can be stuck, you know, kulawo moments singakwazi ukuface reality, ukuthi reality ithini and what decisions we need to make ukusisa phambili empilweni. And so that is called a nostalgia trap. Maybe mhlawumbe ungasichazela kabanzi ukuthi yini lento ekuthiwa nostalgia trap from a clinical perspective.
Yeah, from a clinical perspective, Mkhayana nawe Sonic. In nostalgia trap ingozi ake ngithi eqaleni before siye lapho. Ngiye ngirecommend kumina kuma patients ami ane depression. In order to stop depression from further eroding the capacity for survival. Don't be afraid to take a memento back to good old days and things that have happened. La inkinga khona mkhana, inkinga kwi-relationship. Relationships by their nature, they evolve. And they evolve at a tremendous speed these days because of social media influence, interconnectedness with other people, copying other people's lifestyles, and trying to do something different than the rest of other people. But here's the danger. Ideally, ugcina usu-idealize a moment edlule instead of allowing the relationship to manifest its own potential and to support you in your progressive moments where you find yourself in a very good situation where you have to learn, i.e. from your mistakes, learn, i.e. from your communicating skills, learn, i.e. from things eningazenzanga kahle with the partner. Bese uthola one partner complain mkhana, hey, kwakungcono 3 years ago, you were still touchy, you were still loving. Instead of saying, you were, which is very dangerous. And if I uthi babes, I miss that you used to touch me, now you no longer touch me. Can we kindly investigate why you no longer touch me? So then that allows a very deep emotional conversation. The reason why couples can no longer communicate at a deeper emotional levels, which even promotes vulnerability, it's because of a nostalgia trap. Yes.
Mhlawumbe sengibuza nje ngoba uyichaza kamnandi kanjena kusuke sekwenze njani ke kwi-psyche yomuntu when umuntu is constantly comparing the past to i-present yabo?
Angithi weSonic, have you noticed ukuthi i-brain operator kanjena ama moments abuhlungu ayifuni ukwakhumbula amnandi.
Yeah.
Uzothini mangithi kwena maybe lawo moment abuhlungu they were for relationship evolution. Ayezama ukutrigger ukuthi nobabili nikhule, igene ithi grow down before you can grow up into a formidable couple. Wena kubusuba trapped with growing down kuphela ungabusafuni ukukhula. Abanye abantu baye bangafuni ukukhula in the relationship ngoba basaba ukuthi i-relationship might reenact i-trauma ake I-experience umuntu in the previous relationship, not with the present guy but with the past guy. Or with a past woman per se.
Agcine safari issue current ngepast yomuntu.
agcine safarisha in a world of high cheating and infidelity like this. Eve ngiyisabi nostalgia trap.
Ngaba nami baba.
Sihle naye indaba emiyeza mental health practitioner and of course cultural historian sikhuluma nge-nostalgia trap ukubambeka ey'khathini ezindala ukubambeka izinto ezikwi-past years and we're trying to get over those things so that we can be in the
Indoda Ikhali on the Mayday Connection.
Ngekuthiwa indoda ayikhala kodwa la iyakhala.
kakhulu.
Bese siyayithulisa Nkosi yami. Silungise
Siyayikhalisa.
ibe nje ibe to check iphinde is understand. Namhlanje ke sidinga udaba ke olutouchy nostalgia trap. Manje ndabe mina ngifuna ukubuza mfethu ukuthi ikhona any link between yona ke le nostalgia ne midlife crisis for ama out.
It is ungamangala. It is a midlife crisis.
Really?
It's your refusal to grow in the structure of a relationship that you've established. Angithi uyakhumbula umkhubo omubi thina amadoda esiwenzayo. Once we get into a relationship la kunempilo khona, asibesafuna ukukhula siyaqasha. Bese siqhubeka with our bad habits. Abantu besifazane bona benze nje, they entrench bad habits ngoba befuna ucreate a safety cushion for themselves ngoba besaba ukuba re-wounded. So in-nostalgia, yes, in-nostalgia trap iqhamuka lapho-ke, but with in-nostalgia trap, I can guarantee you, Khaya nawe Sonic, you'll never grow. I-relationship iyahlupha, ifuna nobabili nikhule emotionally, neurologically. I emphasize, nikhule neurologically. But before you grow up, both of you need to grow down.
Yazo Bamdabe just said something really powerful that touched me because nami khona isimo engibona ngathi ngike ngaba kusona of umuntu wesifazane behaving a certain way, just protecting themselves not to go through that pain again.
Yes.
You know. And how do we handle that as I'm out here when I am realizing now ukuthi ayibo lo muntu wesifazane I protect her from that pain but she's going the wrong way at it.
You need to sit down and play and put your boundaries first and put it clear that there are things that you can live with, but there are systems in the relationship that you cannot apply yourself into. Because if you allow them... Yes. But ingozi lapho Khaya nawe Sonic, la uma behavior azo perpetuate disorder, obuthi uzama ukuyivika. Yes. Remember, with Sonic Navekaya, relationships by their nature were not meant to last forever.
Yeah.
But we need to work on them. That's why it's important to work on your relationship. And when you work on your relationship, both of you as a couple, there is always growth.
Sure.
Eventually.
And I can see that you're emphasizing the issue of growth, Ntabe, when it comes to this conversation. Umuntu uyibona kanjani, uyigada kanjani psychologically ukuthi ke ungafoli kule trap nostalgia, or rather should I ask uphuma kanjani kuyona methi ubambekile kuyona la oyibona khona yonke into ngihlale ngirefer ukuthi kwakungcono bekungcono you know and angifuni kuba kule angifuni ukukhula ngibe kule present or ngishow up kwi situation engibizi ngishow up ngayo ngaleso sikhathi.
As Mkhana, what a nice question. Thank you for that question, Mkhana. You need to go back to the old cliche, relationship goals. Sasivumelane ngani ngama goals ethu? Are our values working for both of us?
Sure.
La sishoda khona kufale sibheke 5 years ago, who were we? Now who are we? So that you can avoid the trap of a nostalgic trap at the end of the day. So i-evolution yenu kufale kube ukhaya benosbanibane aba different from when they started and where they are today. Kufale uSonic abe different benonkosikazi wakhe noma nentombi yakhe from whence they started to where they are today. That one then begins to show ukuthi in the period kube khona ukukhula for both of you.
So I'm listening to this conversation now, Ndabe, that we're having right now, and I've realized with Nami I'm trapped with nostalgia yami. Where do I start in getting out of that trap? Where do I start on working on myself and being better?
get rid of habits within the relationship that are not empowering, that are disempowering you.
Yeah.
Uhlala uphatheke kabi, uhlala miserable, nokuyibuza umbuzo ukuthi kanti kuyiwaphi la ngiboni kahle hle. Once you find yourself being trapped into those questions and answers, then fanele ubuze an existential question. Why did I fall in love?
Sure.
Will this relationship work for me? And where will it take me? Am I with a partner who's going to assist me in achieving a relationship goal that will catapult me into proper settlement and growth? If it's not, you better walk away from there. Because kungenzeka mkhana nawe Sonika ukuthi ufoseleke ukuthi walk away from the relationship because your destiny is not tied to that person.
Yo.
Wow. Ndabe sikuthola kanjani mfethu siyabonga.
07666 angiphinde mlaleli weGagasi ngithi wena 07666 33954.
Gagasi FM.